All right, so this is a cocktail that is made a lot in advance. Like you need advance notice on this one, right? So it takes a lot of training to learn how to make a cocktail like this. You have to know how to use ingredients. You gotta keep your head in the game. No, I was kidding. This is, and I love this cocktail because it has bananas in it and it's just delicious, right? So it's bananas, milk, a little bit of sugar, cooked down together. And then you take the half of the mixture and you put it with your rum and you let it infuse. So we are going to make the cocktail, which becomes the easy part, right? So we're going to do 2 ounces of our infused banana rum. And then we're going to take 2 ounces of our banana mix. Ooh, I'm trying not to get that big clump in there because you really want the juice. So when you have all those bananas, and this drink is great frozen. I can't explain to you how good it is frozen. Okay, drop that in. And now we're gonna take 1 bar spoon, so a tea or a tablespoon of cream. And you're only putting it in there to froth it up. It's a great like after dinner drink. Again, frozen, right? Banana daiquiri, delicious. So good, like one of my favorite things. So I'm gonna get my trusty assistant in here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's all you. Here we go. I know. Let me see.
It's cold.
I know it is cold. Like, yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good.
See, that's the part I can never do.
There's
right.
1.
Did it get
You got it. You got it. You did great. All right. So now you're going to take your glasses and we're just going to double strain this into our cocktail glass. Anyway, so you're going to double strain this into your cocktail glass. And when it is all strained and settled, then you can drink it, right? I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of cinnamon. Because it is the winter, and cinnamon makes everything better. And no, this is not eggnog, and there's no eggs in it. And it is a better version of it.